Hey guys, Nick Drossos and welcome to Code Red Defense. We got a great question. Nick, is attacking the knees against a larger attacker, is it a good strike? Now, the knees, whether they're tall, big, small, are a great strike. You also have to know how to attack and strike the knees. So probably my favorite kick for the knee is a jar kick. So if I'm here, I'm doing this. There's a lot of power behind this because I'm hitting with my hip and I'm driving it in. So if I'm here and I'm doing this, it's boom, striking here, boom. There's the jar kick or the side kick. So as I come in, boom, I hit the knee here, boom, I hit the knee there. A lot of times too, it could be a distraction. So I'm here, I go boom, bam, strike up high, right? So yes, striking the knees is good with a jar kick or a side kick. Again, when we teach how to use kicks, I always say keep them below the waist, in the knee area, drive your hip into them. Train it, right? Train it, bam, hit a bag 20 times. Go inside the knee. And if you're doing it with a partner, go in your stance back, like just don't move, just do this. Move back a little bit, as well as move back. Figure out your range. Boom, this is my range. Boom, boom. If I'm here, boom, boom, boom. My hands are up, so I'm here, boom, bam, bam, and I step in, right? So is it effective? Yes, it is. But if you guys want to learn more self-defense, go visit our website, codereddefense.com. We have a complete self-defense toolbox, 15 videos, an amazing series, everything you need to keep yourself safe and your loved ones. I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and stand strong.